external mic on. Testing. No microphone. No external microphone. Shield is up. Shield is down. No external microphone. Hit. Going. Restart. Looks like a good area to break down. Alright, here we go. Bike's off. Start it, let it light up for 30 seconds. Alright, 214, that means 225 roundabout. At least 4 of those minutes have to be above 25. Let's get it. Let's get it and go, baby. Be a perfect road to do this on. 30 miles an hour. What time is it? 23. Yeah, we got 2 more minutes. Stop here. I don't feel like pulling out onto this main road. I'm going to try to do this road the whole time with this thing. Hopefully that was good enough. Okay. Right. Shut her down. Let this car go by. Start her up. Let it idle for 30 seconds. Alright, that should be 30 seconds. Let's roll. I actually panicked and thought it was done and it wasn't going to start up on me. Alright, I gotta just go slow. I was doing about 30 the whole way. Oh, what time is it? 27. That's a little challenge right now. Alright, was that a perfect time? That was a perfect time, baby. Alright. Oh. I don't want to be in the ditch. I can't touch the ground. I already have short issues. Shut her down. Start it up. My check engine light already's off. That did it. That turned it off. People said it was a pain in the butt. Apparently not. Right from my house, rode however I wanted, stopped at multiple lights, and then I did the old stop, let it idle for 30 seconds, rode for 10 minutes, stop, let it idle for 30 seconds, rode for 10 minutes, bada bing, bada boom, lights off. I should pull over and mess with that servo or that throttle body, sub throttle body, little servo lever thing, whatever the heck it is. Let's pull over in here real quick. Let's give that a little. Happy that that engine light went off. Easier than I expected. Boom. Symptoms of this bike I cannot find duplicated anywhere online, which is just insane to me. I mean, the forums, YouTube, everywhere online, just Google, talking, going onto YouTube, finding any issue on any bike, not this bike, any bike that has this kind of an issue. Code 21 you can find pretty good. Going through all the comments in the video, translating them to English, half of them, or shoot, most of them about this issue or similar are in another language. Translating all the comments to English, going down through all the replies and comments to that comment, and translating everything into English over and over and over, every video after video after video. You can find nothing that says anything like this. I'm just gonna irritating. Alright, well, hear that little backfire thing? guys, I'm back from the ride, shutting off the engine light. It was easier than I expected. Other people were acting like it was difficult. It wasn't hard. Let it idle for 30 seconds in the driveway. Rode down the street to an area where I thought I could go down a street for 10 minutes without being bothered by traffic. Took 20 minutes to get there. Cut my bike off, started it back up, let it idle for 30 seconds, took off, rode for 10 minutes, came back, shut it off, turned it on, let it idle for 30 seconds, rode down the road for 10 minutes. The next time I came back, shut it off, turned it back on, engine light was off. So it counted the time at my house, which I didn't expect, But easy peasy, light went off. Still has the start problem. I'm going to go ahead and take it to the dealer because the more I think about it, I've already tested everything that I care to test. I'll feel better once, mechanic looks at it. I think it's something going on with the ECU or the throttle body, somewhere in there. Every now and again it does do a very slight backfire. I'm talking once in a blue moon, so something's going on in there. I think I'd feel better an actual mechanic take a look at it, get it fixed, and get the bike back, call it a day. That's it. Check engine light off, plus camera with the test with no external mic. I got the external mic now. When I got back, it showed up, so hopefully next time it's sound a little bit better for you. Later.